Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can let your TikTok app edit videos and photos for you. So select some photos or some videos, and instead of selecting next, select AutoCut and wait for it to process, and it's going to basically compile your videos or photos into a template so it edits it itself. You can also change the song here if you don't like that song, for instance this one. You can also change the template right here if you do not like the template that they gave you. So you can choose this template instead and press save. And once you're done with that, yeah, I think this one's a photo. Okay, no, it does compile the photos for you. Press next and just post it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!